In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a negative prompt in Leonardo AI, step by step, so you can get cleaner, more accurate image results. Negative prompts are super useful because they help you tell the AI what you do not want in the final image. That means fewer unwanted details, fewer strange artifacts, and much better control over your generation. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the Image Workspace in Leonardo AI. This is where you'll create and manage your image generations. Once you're inside the workspace, take a look at the left panel. Here, you can select your model, choose your style, and adjust your settings based on the kind of image you want to create. You can experiment with different models depending on whether you want photorealistic results, stylized artwork, or something more creative. After that, head over to the advanced settings. This is where the negative prompt option is located. Toggle negative prompts on so the feature becomes active. Once it's enabled, you'll be able to use it alongside your main prompt. Now, move to the prompt box. This is where you type in the text that describes your image. In the main prompt, enter what you want Leonardo AI to generate. Then, in the negative prompt area, type what you want to avoid. For example, you might exclude blurry details, extra fingers, distorted faces, low quality, or unwanted background elements. This helps guide the AI in a much more precise way. A good tip is to keep your negative prompt focused and relevant to the image you are making. Don't overload it with too many unrelated words. Just add the problems you actually want to prevent. That way, Leonardo AI can better understand your intent and produce a cleaner result. Once both your main prompt and a negative prompt are in place, you're ready to generate your image. Review your settings one more time, then create the image and see how the negative prompt improves the output. If needed, you can always go back, tweak the wording, and generate again until you get the result you want. And that's how to add a negative prompt in Leonardo AI. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in the quality of your images. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful AI videos, and I'll see you in the next one.